Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 107 Hayes Street. Date is September 3rd, 2020. I'm recording this from the clean out in the kind of side backyard here at 107 Hayes. I'm going to come back from this point about 110 feet out. The farthest I can push the camera due to this lip that we're looking at. So this lip is caused because the pipe has shifted over time. Just the ground has settled and 100 years of being in the ground, the pipe has shifted a little bit. These pipes are set up in 2 to 3 foot sections of pipe, and every 2 to 3 feet there's a seam in the pipe, and at these seams, that's where, again, this is recording for you, so any questions? I'm just announcing this like I'm a narrator here. But every 2 3 feet, that's a weak point in the pipe. So the pipe can shift, that's where the roots come in. It's leaving a little seam, enough to get a little structural issue over time. So right there, you can see that lip. That's where that pipe has shifted a little bit. So it's settled down. So that next piece has kind of come up a bit. And it's on a diving piece of pipe. We see this quite commonly on a diving piece of pipe where it's kind of doing a downhill dive. So gravity-fed system. This is a 6-inch shared section of this sewer line. Looks to be clay material. This is shared with the 2 houses to the west on the corner and the one right off of the corner. I think it's 1622 and something else over there. But coming back through this shared section of sewer line. So again, 6-inch diameter clay. The line needs to be going downhill in order for it to function. Intrusions and debris in that will cause potential backup. So we're coming into a plastic section of pipe now. So one of these neighbors at some point has installed what it looks like a small spot repair and also put a couple of cleanouts in possibly. Or one cleanout anyway. On the right side of the pipe there, this little opening, that's where the sewage is coming out of their house and then entering the line.
Oh, got it.
So that's one of the neighboring houses' entrance to the line. And this is more than likely a clean out that's down there. Similar to the one we're going through right now. Probably bigger though. So coming back, we're still in 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Left side of the pipe, we've got another tie-in from a branch line. I'm not sure if that's the other neighbor or maybe a downspout line. Tough to tell without doing any kind of test work or anything. But anyway, we're still in the shared section of the sewer. Coming back now into concrete pipe. So we've transitioned material from clay to concrete. Clay has seemed to held up better over the years. Concrete wears along the bottom. As you can see, it's getting rather aggregate through there and just rough. And the rougher it is, the more it catches sewage and the more you have a chance of a backup. There's another tie-in on the right side of the pipe there. So another branch line coming into the pipe in clay. So we transitioned back to clay there for a very short period.
So the branch lines are
possibly downspouts, possibly a kitchen line coming off of the other
like they could have
side of the house.
Entries into the sewer.
Correct.
Got it. Okay.
This is our 4x6-inch sewer transition point. So right here, it's going from 4-inch pipe or 6-inch diameter pipe back into the smaller 4-inch pipe.
Okay.
So this is 100% going to be your responsibility. I'm going to look at the map here again and find out where yours ends.
Okay.
Yours ends a little further down than this, but we're definitely in your part of the pipe now. So I'm going to zero out the footage there. We've got 72 feet of 6-inch pipe is as far as I was able to push that out. Now we're coming back through that 4-inch diameter concrete line that you're looking at here.
Okay.
Very worn along the bottom. You got big old root intrusion coming in there. And a little bit of standing water, not enough to concern me a whole heck of a lot as far as grade wise.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's bad.
But that pipe is pretty mangled. So
okay.
Top of the pipe is basically just roots now.
Yep. Okay.
So it would be wise to get a liner in here sooner than later.
So that could be where they patched it?
This section, it could be, yes. Yes,
oh, yeah,
that is the section they patched it. Yep, so
okay.
There was a spot repair done.
Oh, gross.
Spot repair done right here. And it looks like they put some sort of a clean out branch line. There's some nice fibrous chunks there. So coming back through concrete again. And again, this pipe has seen much better days.
A lifetime right there.
Yeah. Okay, back into clay now. And there's another tie-in on that.
Really?
Yeah, right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Will you kick on your kitchen sink for me for a second? I want to test something out there.
Sure.
All right, we're going to end the recording there because we're coming back into the clean out now. This is the clean out for this pipe. There's the hose I had down the line. So, ending the video there.